Ever wonder why giants like Google dominate the web? It's because they provide tools people use daily. Interactive tools are the ultimate traffic secret. When you provide value, organic traffic follows. These interactive assets work for you 24/7, pulling in consistent visitors without the need for expensive ads. Introducing Traffic Magnets. This software allows you to build custom interactive tools like this powerful calculator in just a few simple clicks. You can easily embed these widgets and generators into any website, instantly increasing user engagement and keeping visitors on your pages for much longer. The magic is in the compounding effect. While one tool brings hundreds of visitors, 20 tools can drive over 10,000 users every single month. These tools are SEO powerhouses, ranking at the very top for high-intent keywords, ensuring a steady stream of targeted traffic straight from Google search. As your traffic grows, so does your revenue. Start with AdSense, scale to Izoli, and eventually reach the high-paying premium tiers of Meet. Our comprehensive traffic training module ensures you have every strategy and resource needed to scale your digital empire efficiently and effectively. Act now to secure our exclusive bonus stack, including the Niche Opportunity Finder, Keyword Intelligence Tool, and the powerful Traffic Kickstart System. You'll also receive the AI Traffic Vault checklist and our elite newsletter featuring 101 proven strategies to accelerate your success. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. I invite you to watch the full demo right now and see the power for yourself. Click the link below to claim 20 extra bonuses. Get Traffic Magnets today and start attracting the organic traffic your business deserves.
Okay, guys, so in this video, we're going to create our first traffic magnet. So once you have logged into your Traffic Magnets members area, you should see this onboarding guide. If you do not land on this page, you can simply navigate to start here, and it will bring you to the step-by-step guide. So the first thing that you need to do is add your AI API key. To do that, all you have to do is click on Go to Settings, and it will bring you to the Settings page. And if you scroll down, you will see an option here to add your AI API keys. You have an option to add OpenAI, which is ChatGPT, or Anthropic, which is Claude. You can add one or both API keys. It's up to you. If you add just one API key, it will use that API key to generate content. To get your API key, all you have to do is click on Get API Key, and it will direct you to the exact page where you can create your API key. It might ask you to log in or sign up first. And to create your API key, all you have to do is click on Create New Secret Key. You can name your key if you like. This is optional. I'm going to name this Traffic Magnets. Then click on Create Secret Key, and it will generate the key for you. All you have to do is simply click on Copy, navigate back to the web app, and paste it in here. Then click on Save Keys. To add your Claude API key, all you have to do is click on Get Key, and it will direct you to the exact page where you can create your Claude API key. If you haven't logged into your Claude account, it will ask you to either sign in or log in first before it brings you to this page. Then you can click on Create Key. Again, you can name your key if you like. I'm going to call this Traffic Magnets. Click on Add, copy key, navigate back to the web app and paste it in here, and then click on Save Keys. Once you have added your AI API keys, you can navigate back to the Start Here tab, and you can simply skip this step because we have added the API keys already. So to create your first project, you need to pick a niche, and the AI will find 12 specific searches people are already making, each one a tool opportunity with almost no competition. To create your first project, you simply click on Create My First Project, and you can choose whether to start from a template by picking a niche, or you can fill out these fields yourself. I'm going to select a template, so I'm going to choose affiliate marketing. And once I click on my selected template, if I scroll down, you will see that all of the fields have been pre-filled. And here you can choose your primary goal, whether it's to drive backlinks, generate leads, increase traffic, or improve engagement. I'm going to choose increase traffic and then click on Discover Traffic Magnets. And it has generated 12 asset opportunities. You can review them and choose one. I'm going to choose Affiliate Income Calculator. Then you can click on the button to generate the blueprint. So it has generated the blueprint. As you can see, we have purpose, target keywords, inputs required, etc. And if you scroll down, you will see different themes and colors. So you can choose which theme color you would like to generate your traffic magnet. I'm going to choose Ocean. And here you can choose whether you want to build this tool as a standalone page, so it will export an HTML file, or an embeddable widget. I'm going to choose embeddable widget. And the embeddable widget is ready. You can simply click on copy, embed code, and embed the widget on your website. In the next video, I will show you how you can embed the widget on your website, or what to do if you don't have a website. Just to give you a quick overview of what the traffic magnet looks like, I already embedded it on my website, and let me show you what that looks like. So here is my affiliate income calculator to calculate your potential earnings based on traffic, conversion rate, and commission rate. So a user would come in and add their monthly traffic. So for example, 250. Average conversion rate, I'm going to put in 12%. And average commission per sale, I'm going to put in 30 to 50. And then click on calculate my potential earnings, and it has calculated the potential earnings from the monthly traffic. Okay, guys, I will see you on the next video.